Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to turn off track changes on the Google Docs website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open whatever browser you are currently working with. Once you do that, you will need to go here to the URL section and simply just write Google Docs. That will then hit the enter button, which will take you into this page. From this page, click at the first link and make sure it's not an ad or advertisement. You will find an icon here. If you click on it, you will be able to find this page. Of course, if you are not this page, make sure to go and check other pages or other links. And of course, from this page, you'll be able to log in into your account by clicking the sign in option, or you can just go here and sign up for free to create an account if you don't have one. Of course, once you did one of these options, you'll find yourself here at this homepage or this main screen. And of course, from here, you'll be able to create a blank document, open some of your recent documents, or just choose some of their templates right here. You'll find a lot provided by Google Docs. So once you did one of these two options, once you did one of these three options, you'll find yourself here with your page. Of course, here my page is blank, and of course we would like to, as we said, to turn off track changes. So of course, if you want to see or to know what is track changes, first of all, you will find a video on this channel on how to actually track changes that people made if you share the documents with other people. But of course, to hide all the edits like the comment, the suggestions, and Google Docs, all you need to do. So of course, if you want to do that, you will have two options. You can just go here to view, go to mode, and select viewing before sharing to anyone. So now you will be able to, if you share your document, nobody will be able to change your document. If you want to actually remove the track changes, you can just remove like the spelling changes and the comment changes and etc. But you cannot change this option because it is actually important for people to know if they share documents with someone like that needs to be changed, what they changed exactly. So of course you can just change this editing to suggesting, which is edit becoming suggestions, or you can just read or print final documents and you will not be able to change anything. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.